Good morning, students. Today we will study about division of algebraic expressions. So in today's class we will study about division of algebraic expressions. So first of all we will learn to divide a monomial by a monomial. Monomial means where you have one term. So let us take example. We will divide 6a square by 2a. So we are dividing a monomial by a monomial, right? So how to divide? You will write it as 6a square over 2a. And now you can see that here I can divide the 6 with 2. So if you divide 6 with 2, you will get 2 3s are 6. And then now let us look at the variable. So here you have a square and in the denominator you have a. So this a square means you have a 2 times and in the denominator you have a 1 time. So 1a will cancel out with this a and you are left with only 1a in the numerator. So you can cancel like this also. I've cancelled this power 2 and I've written 1 here. So your answer is 3a. Clear? So this is how you will divide a monomial by a monomial. Now we will take one more example. So in this example I will divide 68 p square q cube by minus 4 pq square. Right? So this is a monomial which I will be dividing by this monomial. So let us write 68 p square q cube over minus 4 pq square. So here your denominator is negative. So your answer will become negative. You can write this negative sign with the numerator as well as denominator. But generally we write our negative sign with the numerator only. Okay. So we will divide 68 by 4. So what you will get? 4 ones are 4. 4 sevens are 28, right? And now let us look at the variables. Here we have p square, 2 बार p है. In the denominator we have only one time p. So one p will cancel out with one p and you will be left with p raised to power 1. And here you have q square means 2 times q and here you have q cube means 3 times q. तो 2 q यहाँ ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में कट जाएंगे इन दोनों के साथ. आपके पास सिर्फ एक ही q बचेगा, right? So that's why I've crossed this 3 and I've written 1 here. So now this negative I'm writing with the numerator and now you will have 17 pq. So this is your answer. Now it means if out of these two polynomial, if any one is negative, your answer will be negative. What happens if both are negative? If this is negative and this is also negative, then you will have two negative signs, one in the numerator, other in the denominator, and your negative will cancel out and you get a positive answer. For that I will take another example. So now we will be solving this example. Here both the polynomials are negative. So it will be minus 16 pq square r square divided by minus 15 pq square r. So here first of all negative and negative will cancel out and your answer will be positive. So let us cancel now these numbers. So we know 15 4s are 60, and then here we have 1 time p. Here also we have 1 time p. So p and p cancel. Here we have q 2 times q square. Here also we have q square. So cancel. Here we have r square and here we have r. तो यहाँ 2 बार r है, यहाँ 1 बार r है. So 1 r will cancel out with the r in the denominator, and you will be left with r raised to power 1. So your answer is 4r. Clear? Okay. Now we will learn how we can divide a polynomial by a monomial. We earlier discussed how to divide a monomial by a monomial. Now we will discuss how to divide a polynomial by a monomial. So let us take examples. So here you have to divide this polynomial by this monomial, right? So I am removing it from here and I will write it in the denominator because we have to divide. So it will be now written in the denominator. So now what you will do is you just can't cancel this 4 with 16 or 32 or 16 like this. ये डिनोमिनेटर जो है 4a² वो इस पूरे पॉलिनोमियल का है डिनोमिनेटर. अकेले इसका नहीं है, अकेले इसका नहीं है और अकेले इसका नहीं है, इन सब का है, राइट? तो आपको पता है कि इसको हम इस तरह से क्या करेंगे, ये जो डिनोमिनेटर है सबको अलग अलग से दे देंगे. सो इट इज -32a³ over -4a² and then plus 16a² over -4a². So now what we did, जो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर था -4a² वो इन सबका था, तो सबको अलग अलग से डिनोमिनेटर में लिख दिया, अलग अलग से. अगर आप इसमें सोचो कि हम -4a² का एलसीएम लेंगे तो इस तरह से लिखोगे और फिर न्यूमरेटर यही बनेगा, बोथ आर सेम. यहाँ पे सिर्फ हमने ये जो डिनोमिनेटर है ये सेपरेटली सबके साथ लिखा है. सो यू विल राइट लाइक दिस एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल सॉल्व इट. हाउ टू सॉल्व? यू विल नाउ डिवाइड दीज. सो 4 4s are 16 and here you have a², here you have a raised to power 4. तो यहाँ 2 बार जो a है ये 2a को काट देंगे तो 4 में से 2a कट जाएंगे, सिर्फ 2 ही बचेंगे, राइट? So negative is also there in the denominator, so your this term will be negative 4 and then a². Now next term, 4 8s are 32. Here you have a², यहाँ आपके पास 2a है and here you have a³ 3 बार a है, तो 2a से 2a कट जाएंगे और सिर्फ एक ही a बचेगा, राइट? And here you have this denominator is negative, this numerator is also negative. So negative negative will become positive. So it is positive a plus a. And here 4 4s are 16 plus and this is minus. So plus minus is minus. And here you have a², here also you have a². So these will cancel out. And you are left with -4. Clear beta? Okay. Now we will take one more example. So we will divide 7a raised to power 4bc minus 5ab³ plus 24a²bc by 3abc. So we will divide this polynomial by this monomial. So let step I told you? That you will give this denominator to all the terms in the numerator. So let us first write this denominator 3abc with all the terms of the numerator. Okay. Now we will start division. How? We cannot divide 7 by 3, so we will leave it as it is. Right? Now here you have 1 time b, 1 time b, 1 time c, 1 time c. So b and c will cancel out. Here you have a 1 time and here you have a 4 times. So how many a you will get now? This 1a will cancel out with 1a and you will be left with only a cube. Right? Next, minus 5 and 3 we cannot divide. So we will write 5 by 3 as such. And then here we have a 1 time, c and c. Here you have b 1 time and here you have b raised to power 3. So 1b will cancel out with 1b and you are left with only b square. So it is minus 5 by 3 b square. And in this last you can divide this 24 and 3. 3 8s are 24. And here also your b and b will cancel out. C and c will cancel out. Here you have a 1 time and here you have a square. 2 बार है, एक a से एक a कट जाएगा, आपके पास एक ही बचेगा. So you are left with 8a. Clear? Now we'll do one more question of this type. So now we will divide 10a square b square minus 8ab square plus 6a square b square by 2ab. Right? So it's very simple. What we will do? We will give this denominator 2ab to all the terms of our numerator. Right? So that's it. And now we will start dividing. So 2 5s are 10. 1 time a will cancel out with 1 time a, you are left with a. 1 time b will cancel out with 1 time b, you are left with a raised to power 1 and b raised to power 1. So that I can write as 5ab. Then 2 4s are 8. A will cancel out with a and 1b will cancel out with 1b in the numerator and you are left with only b raised to power 1. So that can be written as 4b only. You need not write power 1 here with b. Next, 2 3s are 6. 1a will cancel out with 1a and 1b will cancel out with 1b. So you are left with 3ab. So if you see here, you have this 5ab and 3ab as like terms. So you can add these and you can write it as 5 plus 3 is 8ab minus 4b. Instead of adding here in the end, अगर आप चाहते तो आप बिगनिंग में भी ऐड कर सकते थे. This 10a square b square and this 6a square b square are like terms. तो आप चाहते तो इन्हें बिगनिंग में भी 10 plus 6 16 a square b square minus 8ab कर सकते थे और फिर जब 2ab से डिवाइड करते तो आप करते 16a square b square over 2ab minus 8ab over 2ab, and after dividing this you will get 8ab you have b square here. So a will cancel out with a and here b will cancel out with 1b and we are left with minus 4b. So same answer you are getting by both the methods. तो आप चाहते तो लाइक टर्म्स को बिगनिंग में भी ऐड कर सकते थे, कंबाइन कर सकते थे. Am I clear?